Is your baby 4 months old now? Looking to add solids in diet, but not sure? Don't worry. Here are some food which you can introduce to our baby. Number 1 is apple puree. Mashed carrots are good option too. Mashed bananas, kids love its taste, and it's healthy gut food as well. Rice pudding for parents who wants chubby kids. Lentil soup is protein rich. It's good option too for choosy babies. Tapioca pearls or white starch balls or sago is good for digestion and bones. Yogurt is always good for healthy gut. Cereals in market has different flavors and easy to cook option for working mothers. Boiled mashed rice is good for tummy health and easy to digest for kids. Oatmeal is full meal for healthy guts. Scrambled eggs or mashed boiled eggs are tasty option, nutritious, and kids love it too. Last but not the least is mashed vegetables, good for hairs, skin, and overall body health of growing babies. Between 4 to 6 months of age, 1 to 3 tablespoons of solids. From 6 months, 1 to 3 bowls. 9 months and above, 3 to 5 meals.